Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC B1281, pertains to the front wiper missed position circuit malfunction for the Honda Accord, spanning model years 2008 to 2012. This error indicates that there is a problem related to the operation of the wiper switch when set to the missed position. The components involved include the wiper switch itself, which is located on the steering column, and the Multiple Integrated Control Unit, MICU, situated under the dash. The MICU plays a critical role as it processes inputs from the wiper switch and controls the wiper motor accordingly. A malfunction in either the circuit or the switch can lead to erratic wiper behavior or complete failure to operate. Correct diagnosis and repair are essential for maintaining optimal visibility in inclement weather. DTC B1281 specifically refers to a malfunction in the front wiper missed position circuit. The primary affected component in this issue is the wiper switch, which is situated on the steering column for easy driver access. The wiper switch enables the driver to control various wiper operations, including the mist function, providing quick burst wipes for rain. The Multiple Integrated Control Unit, MICU, is crucial as it interprets the switch's position and activates the wiper motor accordingly. If the switch cannot properly communicate with the MICU due to a fault or an open circuit, the wipers will not operate correctly. Hence, understanding the location and function of the involved components is vital for effective troubleshooting. When diagnosing DTC B1281, several potential causes must be considered. First, a short circuit in the wiring can disrupt the electrical flow between the wiper switch and the MICU, leading to malfunctions. This issue could manifest due to wear and tear, exposure to moisture, or physical damage. Second, a faulty wiper switch itself can lead to incorrect signals being sent to the MICU. If the internal contacts of the switch are damaged, it will not function as intended. Lastly, a defective Multiple Integrated Control Unit, MICU, could potentially be the problem. The MICU processes all inputs from various components in the vehicle's electric system. If the MICU fails, it may not accurately respond to the commands from the wiper switch, resulting in erratic wiper operation. Several symptoms may indicate the presence of DTC B1281 in a Honda Accord. One common symptom is that the windshield wipers become inoperable, failing to respond when activated by the wiper switch. Additionally, erratic wiper operation can also occur, where the wipers may operate intermittently or unexpectedly, creating a distraction and safety hazard. Another potential symptom includes the wipers being stuck in one position, which could block the driver's view. Identifying these symptoms allows for early troubleshooting, which is crucial for restoring functionality to the windshield wiper system. Recognizing that clear visibility is essential while driving makes addressing these symptoms a top priority. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1281 is to clear the diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. The HDS is an advanced tool designed specifically for diagnosing Honda vehicles, providing detailed insight into various systems within the car. By clearing the DTCs, any previous faults indicated can be reset, allowing for a fresh evaluation of the system with the subsequent steps. It's crucial to use the HDS properly, ensuring that the vehicle is in the correct mode for data collection. Once cleared, this step sets the stage for more thorough testing, allowing subsequent steps to determine if the fault persists or was a temporary issue. After successfully clearing the DTCs, The next step is to turn the ignition switch to the lock position, 0, and then back to the on position, 2. This action is critical as it resets the vehicle's electrical systems, providing a clean slate for tests to be conducted. The ignition switch serves as the primary control for the vehicle's electrical systems, and cycling it back and forth ensures all components initialize properly. Each time the ignition is turned to on, the systems perform self-checks to verify that all components are functioning appropriately. This process is vital before manually operating any controls, as it prepares them for testing. The next pivotal step is to turn the wiper switch to various positions: mist, INT, intermittent, low, high, and off, while waiting for at least 6 seconds after each position change. This part of the procedure allows the HDS to capture and document the data readings associated with each switch position effectively. The wiper switch is responsible for controlling the speed and operation mode of the wipers, and cycling through each setting tests the entire electrical pathway and confirms the response from the MICU. Waiting 6 seconds after each position ensures that the system has adequate time to register the changes and respond appropriately before moving to the next step. After operating the wiper switch through its various positions, it is essential to check for DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, once again. This step helps to identify if DTC B1281 persists or if any new DTCs have appeared. The HDS will display the current DTC status, indicating whether the front wiper circuit is still experiencing malfunctions. If DTC B1281 remains, it signifies that the issues within the wiper system are still present, prompting further investigation. Conversely, if no DTCs are present, it could indicate an intermittent failure, which may require a closer examination of electrical connections or the possibility that the issue has resolved itself. Continuing with the troubleshooting process, the next step involves selecting wiper from the Body Electrical System Select menu on the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This selection allows access to specific data related to the wiper system, crucial for further evaluating its performance. By entering the Data List menu, the technician can monitor and assess values associated with the wiper switch positions, providing real-time data on how the system is responding to inputs. This data is vital for diagnosing any communication issues between the wiper switch and the MICU, allowing for precise identification of faults in the systems that impact wiper function. At this point, it is important to check the values for each wiper switch position in the Data List menu. The technician will verify that the data corresponds correctly with the selected positions of the wiper switch: off, low, high, mist, and int. Each position should yield an expected value. For example, when the wiper switch is off, the corresponding value should display as off as well. If the values are correct, it's an indication that the communication pathway between the switch and MICU is functioning properly. Conversely, if discrepancies are found, it signals a potential fault either in the switch or the wiring, warranting further investigation or additional troubleshooting steps. After evaluating the data list values, the technician must decide whether all values are correct. If all positions show the expected readings, the troubleshooting process can proceed to the next step, focusing on further diagnosing potential faults. However, if any values do not align with the expected readings, it indicates that there is a problem in the circuit. This could involve faulty wiring, a malfunctioning switch, or issues within the MICU. Determining whether the values are correct is crucial, as it helps to direct the next steps, ensuring effective use of diagnostic resources and minimizing unnecessary repairs or investigations. Upon confirming that not all data list values are correct, the next step is to turn the ignition switch to lock 0 again, and disconnect the driver's under-dash fuse relay box connector R, which is a 24-position connector. Disconnecting the connector is vital because it allows the technician to safely test the continuity of the wiring without the interference of potential electrical signals from other components. This step serves as a preparatory measure before performing continuity tests to identify if there are any shorts or breaks in the wiring associated with the wiper circuit. Proper handling during this step is essential to avoid any damage to the connectors or the electrical system. Next, the technician will check for continuity between specific terminals of the driver's under-dash fuse/relay box connector, R, 24P. This involves using a digital multimeter to confirm the integrity of the connections between terminal pairs as outlined in the diagnostic process. The recommended pairs to test are Terminal 15, orange, to Terminal 1, blue, Terminal 16, WHT, to Terminal 17, green, and Terminal 17, green, to Terminal 1, blue. Checking for continuity ensures that there are no breaks or shorts within the wiring that could impair the communication between the wiper switch and the MICU. The results from these tests will inform the technician whether the wiring is functioning as required or if adjustments need to be made. After conducting the continuity tests, the technician will determine whether continuity exists between the tested terminal pairs. If continuity is confirmed, the next logical step is to repair any shorts identified in the wiring. This may involve cutting and splicing wires or replacing damaged sections of wiring harnesses to restore proper functionality to the circuit. However, if continuity is not present, the results suggest a more significant issue with the driver's MICU. Therefore, replacing the driver's under-dash fuse relay box is required to resolve the malfunction of the wiper circuit, ultimately restoring proper function to the wiper system. Both paths must be followed carefully, as they directly impact the performance of the wiper system. After addressing any repairs necessary for DTC B1281, it is crucial to clear the DTCs again using the Honda Diagnostic System. This action resets the system, allowing for a comprehensive assessment of whether the repairs were effective. Following the clearance, the wiper system should be tested thoroughly, cycling through all switch positions to ensure proper operation in all modes: mist, intent, low, high, and off. Observing the wiper's behavior will confirm if the issue has been resolved fully. This step serves not only to verify repairs, but also to ensure that the driver can depend on the wipers working safely under various weather conditions. By completing this verification process, peace of mind is restored to both the technician and the vehicle owner. Engaging in preventive maintenance of the wiper system is vital for ensuring long-term functionality. Regular inspections allow for early detection of any potential issues, such as frayed wires or corrosion on connectors that could lead to electrical failures. Additionally, monitoring for any signs of moisture accumulation around the components can protect against short circuits or rust that may impair operation. Implementing a routine check of the wiper blades themselves helps maintain effective visibility during harsh weather conditions. These preventive measures not only prolong the lifespan of the wiper system, but also enhance the overall safety of the vehicle. Awareness and dedication to maintenance can effectively reduce the frequency of troubleshooting and repair in the future. In summary, accurately diagnosing DTC B1281, which indicates a front wiper missed position circuit malfunction, is essential to restoring functionality to the wiper system in the Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012. Each step of the troubleshooting process must be followed methodically, ensuring no detail is overlooked. Components such as the wiper switch and MICU play significant roles in the proper operation of the wipers, and understanding their function aids in locating faults. By performing regular preventive maintenance, vehicle owners can mitigate future issues and ensure their wiper system operates reliably. A comprehensive approach to diagnosis and repair fosters not only enhanced safety, but also assurance that the vehicle operates smoothly in any weather condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!